The smartest people I know do this one thing before answering a question. It's not speaking louder, it's not using bigger words, it's pausing before answering a question. Because here's the thing, most people rush to fill the silence because they're scared of looking unprepared. But a 1-second pause signals that you're thoughtful and worth listening to. And when you're deliberate with that pause, you seem way more confident. This was today's One Tip Wonder. I hope it helped. Save this for the next time you feel pressure to blurt something out.